Welcome to QuizMama's weather quiz. Today you can test your knowledge and guess 14 exciting weather sounds. Sharpen your ears and get ready, but be aware, it can get loud. If you like this quiz, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give us a like. Thank you very much. Let's get started.
Thunder, hail, sunshine, heavy rain, wind, light rain, snowfall, thunderstorm, desert wind, tornado, snow walk, freezing rain,
Fog,
Arctic wind,
Feel free to tell us in the comments how many sounds you guessed correctly. And click here to watch more sound quizzes. Take care and see you soon.